September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me.
You look miserable.
But at least I kept my mind off everything.
Bro.
If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different.
Oh, this is a straight continuation of the other remakes. That's what's up. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. Search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for all that's about to go down in the... Oh my goodness, look at these graphics, bro. So this is on PC. I'm playing it on my PC. Everything is like totally maxed out. I think my graphics card has like 16 gigs VRAM. And it's using like 14 just for this game. No drop frames? Okay, we good. All right. Where's my gun at, bro? Oh, you can crouch, bro. What's up? Nothing. Okay, I can't get into the inventory yet. Can't pull out the gun yet. Sprint. Go that way. It's just beautiful.
How far could he have gone?
Let me shoot the birds. I'm gonna shoot the birds. What does he look? My man's got sacrificed. He's a sacrifice. Wow. Oh, I hear that. Footsteps, man. It's really smooth. This exciting part is that the movement is updated. Like me, it wasn't necessarily bad playing the original, but like to have to stop and aim. Let's go inside.
Anyone home?
Whoa. Can we look through it? put his hand on the wall. This stuff. What's this? Las Plagas. Let's check this one out. It's to the outside? Okay. This is crazy. Look at the fur on his jacket. Oh my God.
Sorry to barge in like this.
You on that good.
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Oh, look out, bro! Ah! Oh yeah, drop kicking. And he broke his neck.
This is no.
Hunter's Lodge key, dope. Oh man, this is dope, boy. I'm definitely streaming this, putting it on YouTube. Oh, wait. What's in here? Man, the movement is crazy.
Stinks.
Man, he boiling his scalp and butthole. So you can bring out the knife. So that's the center camera. National Police Corps, Mario Fernandez Castaño, police officer. Well, Mario. Okay. Oh, sort. Whip. Okay. Wait. Hold on. We gotta check this out. What's this? Map. The map. If you become lost, you can check the current position. Yes, we know. Keys. Items. Crafting. We can craft handgun. Okay, so this is like the last couple Resident Evils. Ammo, miscellaneous herbs. Mission brief. Leave kidnapped individual. Cashigram. Intelligence Department has confirmed several sightings of the subject in a remote village. All right. Wow. Oh boy. Whoa. It's going down.
Hey. I read you. What's your situation? What the hell's going on?
Man, he's done for. Well, I already know how to aim and shoot.
What was that?
All right, time to get jiggy with it. About to shoot him in the face. Whoa, 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 whoa. Take him, take him. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That was not easy. And I don't have no ammo. Wow. All right. We're just gonna keep it moving. Oh, oh. Can we do stealth? This is. Try to sneak up behind him. Oh, it's two of them. Can't sneak. Time to go. Man, I'm stuck. I knew that was closed and locked. All right. I missed the prompt. I missed the prompt. Man, come on, bro. Bro! This is not gonna be nearly as easy as I thought it was gonna be. I'm a I'm a pro at this. I played Resident Evil 30 times to beat it. This is different. This is completely different. Wow, I suck. They didn't drop no ammo, man. Come on, cuz. Okay, I can use that. Did I even go upstairs? Why you got the gun out? You ain't got no bullets, bro. What?
Bruce. This
It makes the same radio sound, bro.
What's your sit rep?
The president's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location.
Is that Rosario Dawson?
She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are.
Yo.
Gotta go.
Yo.
Talk later.
Yep, you gotta go. Jump out the window. Jump out the window. Eggs, yeah. Bro. Oh, so you just gonna walk away? Yo, I need ammo. Ain't no ammo. Thank God. Lord Sadler. It's about to go down. Gunpowder. We got 10 plus 2 rounds. Plus 1. Oh, okay. That's what's up. Ain't saved yet? Oh, because it's a demo? Alright. Oh no, the dog is dead, bro. Oh man. Man, I'm supposed to save him. Oh, he's dead already, bro. No. That's messed up. Please tell me there's some more bullets. Pesetas. The pesetas. Ah, the pesetas. Ooh, that. Yeah, okay. Can I dodge? Ooh, with the moves. Where's my son? I just gotta get used to the movement. Like the slow movement is very deliberate. Like I can almost feel his steps. Oh my God. No way I fell for that.
Damn it.
Yep, come on with it. All right. Ooh. Yes, I know. Yes. Okay, I know that. Let's that. Keep it nice and neat. Okay, so that's left up. This is amazing. Perfect. Oh, here we go. Man, they about to roast my mans, literally. Poor guy, man. All right, it's time to be a gamer. Let's do it. Hey, old lady. I missed. Cool. Man, everybody on me, bro. Gotta run, gotta go. They running after me. Gotta go. No! Oh, this is not easy. Oh, snap. Yeah, that's right. I'm running away. Come on with it. Oh, snap! They charge you. I don't have a knife. Oh my God, bro. Did he just break my neck? Wow, wow. All right, let's try this again. I went in there, guns blazing like I was Blade. Camera, normal gameplay when aiming. Let's bring that down a little bit. Acceleration. Camera acceleration. I don't really like acceleration. Oh, hex, no. Camera speed. While aiming. Put that back up. That was good the way it was. Nope. A little bit more. Put about here. Just a little bit more. There we go. All right. What y'all want to do?
Here we go.
Oh! Get off me! Back up! Oh, I ducked into it. Wow.
Keep coming.
Run. Go. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. I missed my opportunity. Okay, no, I didn't. Okay. This is, oh my God, bro. You cannot let them grab you, bro. Oh, they surrounded me. Oh my God.
Present for you.
Ese coño. Oh, here we go. Oh, bro. Man, look at them eyes. Man, I am completely terrified right now. Oh my God, bro. Okay. I'm running out of ammo. I'm running out of ammo. They are planting traps as we speak. Oh, get mixed. Bro, I don't have any ammo. Go, run, 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 run. What? I shot her in the dress. I'm shooting her in the dress, bro. Oh, it's not. Run, 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 run. Just run away. That's on fire. This is crazy. I'm stuck. No! Oh. Bro. Oh, no, 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 no. Come on, man. I survived? Did I survive? Did I survive? Oh my God, I survived. Okay, y'all just stare at the sky.
La campana.
Woo!
Hay que obedecerla.
Él nos invoca. Tenemos que servir.
Man. Man, you should just slap one of them while they walk past you, just for good measure. So, real good across his cheek, backhand. Bro. This is gonna be crazy.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Hey, my man's cooked long enough, didn't he?